Ah, yes. Ark Survival Ascended. One of, if not the most peaceful game you can buy. Today, I'm going to be raging a lot, probably, because I need a good tame. And in order to get a good tame, I need to go into the danger zone. The meat cooking? Yeah, I can leave that cooking. I was already gonna have to use my bola. I'm just gonna keep this out because I know there's a T-Rex. What the? I'm not gonna turn around. I don't know what that was. I know there's a T-Rex. I know there's Troodons. I know there's a Carto, and I know there's a high-level raptor. I'm hoping I get to the high-level raptor. What level? 19. What's up with all the weak levels? What level are you? 15. Why are they all weak? Imagine getting killed by an axe. I'm not complaining, but what killed you? Because I certainly did not. Was it the Moss Chops? No shot. Moss Chops just suck. Oh! What is that? What does that sound? It's because there's still this one. Oh! He's about to die. Okay, let's help this Trek out then. Maybe we can get rid of this T-Rex. Make the area safe. Oh, that's a Stego! Perfect. Let's go! Yeah, Stego for the... Uh-oh, is he going for me? Oh, no, he's going for someone else. Yeah, get snaded on. T-Rex is trash. Can I harvest him real quick? Thank you. Hey. Yeah, I know, you killed him, you're crazy. What did he got on you? Well, I think I know what killed both of them. Guess they were just weak. Okay, I got him. Now it's the hard part. I have to outrun an RG. Maybe I can knock it out before he kills me? Maybe, just maybe? Shit, I missed. How did I miss again? And again, what is happening? Oh my god, why do I keep missing? I cannot be missing this, dude, I'm selling. Oh, yeah. Nope. Vote for this. Okay, what level is that? Level 7. And I just book it. I just book it down. 107, right there. That's my one. Okay, so here's what my strategy is. Wind up the pitcher. Hold on, let me... Fuck. I have dogs on me. Okay, good. He knows I'm here now. So now, I book it. Because if that 107 hits me, I'm dead. Okay, now go, now go, now go. Now all I do is I just book it through the brush. And if he comes, he comes. If he gets stuck, then, oh well, he's closer to me now. So now I know that the 107 is somewhere close to me, unless he's still chasing me. And if he's still chasing me, that's really good, because then I can just let him kill me. There's the 107 right there. That is huge. Okay. Take 7. After I kill these bugs first. Okay. Yeah. Give me a second. Yeah. Fucking rude much? Trying to do something. I do not like the little pitter-patter footsteps. That's just creepy. Okay. What? Seriously? You're not gonna get out of here alive, okay? I'm just trying to build an Argentavis trap. So I can tame an Argentavis. Not that one. That one's weak. I might tame that one just to get it out of my, like, out of my way. I think this is how you do it. I am 98% sure that this is how you do it. While I was setting up my trap, directly after it, when I stopped streaming and took a little break, the 107 RG decided to fly up to me. So I decided to test the trap. And boom, it works. He's stuck. I then proceeded to put all of my trank arrows into him until eventually he started flying away. Which means that he was torpor running. Well, actually, it's just she. And boom, knocked out. And then I gave it an appropriate name. I then proceeded to change it to 2 of 3 McNugget meal. So after that, I decided not to go home yet, and I found out this is metal. And so, the volcano's not dangerous. I just hit my RG, by the way. But the volcano's not dangerous to me right now. So I just started mining a ton of metal. Like, all over the place. I just kept mining. So what I did with my RG is I just collected the metal and just put it inside of his inventory. Give you a lot. Like, 5 obsidian, I think I got. Yeah, 5 obsidian from one thing that's not all. I officially reached the high enough level to unlock the Petrodon saddle. I'm level 38 right now. Boom. So, I'm smelting up all the iron. And look how much I got. And so I proceed to just immediately go and make a long neck. Monkey is advancing. So then I saw this purple drop close to me, and I was like, sure, I may as well go to it. You know, drops are overpowered. I may as well see what's in it. It is a purple. And I just got to a high enough level to unlock it. So, I got 46 iron, bug repellent, and stimulant. I then proceeded to tame a Petrodon that was right next to my Argentavis, and as you can see, I changed the name. But then, this Petrodon sucked butt cheeks. So I wasted an entire day on that. Then, there was this blue drop with a yellow ring on it. Right next to my base. So I just waited for it to land. Now's my first time seeing it, like, land. And I got a little thingy. And I also got a ton of pelts. Well then, using my pike, I decided to try and challenge a Bronto. Not a Bronto, a Diplodocus, because they don't do any damage. So I figured, what the hell. And then the stupid bird took my thing. But I wasn't so worried about that. I wanted the prime so then I can tame the Petrodon. Even though the Petrodon sucks butt cheeks. But look how much prime I got. Only 7, I think it was, or 3. So fast forward a ton, I decided to work on my base. And along with working on my base, I decided to make some bullets. So now I have 50 bullets exactly. And I also got the long neck in my inventory.
Find out what happens next time in Ark Survival Ascended. Here's a sneak peek. For my babies! Die! Boom! Are you not dead yet? Die!